My favorite part of the brain is the corpus callosum. Doing my research, I realized that the corpus callosum is needed for your physical movement of your body, for coordination, and the corpus callosum is needed when you are attaining complex information because you need both halves of your brain to communicate with each other when you are acquiring complicated information. So, for many years, nobody knew or understood what the corpus callosum was there. They knew it was there and stuff like that, but they actually didn't know um, what its function was. So, it wasn't up until the 1950s that you had Ronald Myers in 1955. He was a grad student from the University of Chicago that he learned the function of the corpus callosum, which it is the coordination of your body and um, solving complex questions. So, social and behavioral problems in your corpus callosum, if you don't have it, you will have and in the research that I've done, I saw that 1 in 3,000 children that are born will be born without a corpus callosum. So these children will be experiencing social immaturity, lack of self awareness, difficulty understanding social cues, problems understanding others' perspectives, finding it hard to maintain attention. They tend to have hyperactivity. Scary enough, they have a lack of fear, and they are usually obsessive and compulsive behaviors uh, because of missing the corpus callosum. Now, doing the research, now going ahead, I was digging because the reason why I chose the corpus callosum because of one video that you showed at the beginning of the year with Joe with the split brain. And I just found it so incredibly fascinating how he can draw a square and a circle at the same time. So, as I was digging for information to find out about Joe, I stumbled across another individual that is as amazing as I think Joe is. So, this individual is called Kim Peek. So, he was a individual that was born without his corpus callosum. And I don't know if you remember or recall because it's an older movie, Rain Man, with Raymond Babbitt that was played by Dustin Hoffman. Fabulous show. Loved watching that show. Very good movie. But I didn't know all these years of watching this movie that Raymond Babbitt was a, an individual with a severed corpus callosum. I did not know that. And according to the research that I found, um, they made the movie about Kim Peek. So Kim Peek is an individual that his corpus callosum was severed, and so what Kim Peek would do, he would spend every day, all day, with his dad in the library, in the public library, and he would read books after books. And this individual, instead of reading one page at a time like we would do as normal individuals while we're reading a book or a newspaper or something like that, Kim Peek was able to read one page of book with his left eye and the right page of the book with his right eye. So he would finish an entire cyclopedia or whatever book in under an hour. So he would sit there and he would hold a book and he would read it both pages at the same time, and he was known as the walking encyclopedia, which I found that absolutely fascinating. So, but again, the reason why I chose the corpus callosum, you hooked me at the beginning of the year when you showed me the video of Joe and drawing the circle and square. And so I did my research. And so that is my favorite portion of the brain. Thank you.